friends, welcome to Yadna Investment Academy. Today we are going to talk about Muthoot Finance Limited. In last 3 months we have seen almost 140% rally in Muthoot Finance stock from 500 levels. The stock currently is trading at around 1180 rupees. So what are the reasons for this kind of rally in Muthoot Finance Limited? So we will have to see what exactly happened in last 3 months when we are seeing the kind of fall in private banks or other NBFCs or PSU bank stocks. So, why this particular stock has rallied so much when the uncertainties are so high? So, if we are comparing Muthoot Finance, so we need to see the valuation perspective also of Muthoot Finance. So, in last 3 months, the price to earnings ratio also changed a lot for Muthoot Finance Limited from 7.5 currently. This stock's price to earnings ratio, P ratio, which we call it as, is 15.7. So almost doubled. So what is the reason? Because traditionally, if you are going to see for 1 year, 3 year, 5 years, 7 year, 10 years kind of average P ratio for this company was always hovering in single digit between 7 to 8 to 9, 7 to 9 kind of P ratios we have seen with this particular stock. So why we are seeing almost 60 to 70% of appreciation in the price to earnings ratio. So why this re-rating is happening? The major reason why this re-rating is happening is the kind of NPA control this particular business can have on the regular workings, if we say. So in banks or other NBFCs, the kind of allocation to this particular sector of gold financing is very less. Though now a lot of banks are trying very hard, like ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank or State Bank of India or Canara Bank, they are trying very hard to increase their gold financing facility. Why? Because government is pushing banks to give loans. So, but banks are very about the NPA problem. So why should they lend when they know that NPAs can prop up and they will need a lot of capital, which is a scared commodity currently. Nobody wants to infuse money into the banks. So that is the main reason. It's not that they don't have liquidity. They have liquidity, but they are afraid of the NPA problem. So now they are trying to have some kind of segment where the NPA problems will be a little less or they will be controlled. So gold financing is one option which can help them in achieving those goals. Though the diversified NBFCs or bank portfolios will have lesser impact. They are trying to have very hard to increase their gold loan book, but it's not that easy compared to their sizes. So in this particular situation, Muthoot Finance, which is a pure gold loan play, more than 95% loans are gold loans. So they know how to run these businesses and they are doing it very well. So now if we consider about micro and small enterprises where they need to kickstart their units, so for that they're going to require some short term funding. So gold financing is the best option available for them. So they can borrow for 6 month, 12-month kind of tenures. Normally around 6 months are the tenures for these gold loans. And there is a facility called bullet repayments also, where you can pay the interest on regular intervals, but the principal repayment can happen at the maturity of that loan. So that is a very good opportunity for these small and micro enterprises to kickstart their businesses. So this is one thing. In India, if we compare, 25,000 tons of gold our Indian households are holding, and this is completely it is unutilized. So we are not utilizing that particular asset class. So we can, yeah. So now in these times, in these difficult times where we are seeing this pandemic which occurs almost 100 in 100-year kind of frequency, so we are going through some tough times. So for these times, survival is the most important part. So for survival, a lot of households can use their gold to kickstart their businesses, whatever small businesses they are having, or even salaried people also, to just take care of their small short term goals or things. So they can use these loans. Even banks are also quite happy that okay, if we are getting 1 lakh rupees gold and we can lend up to 50,000, so security point of view also there is no problem. So loan to value ratios are also around 50%, so that is also from bank's perspective it is very good. So in these particular times, people or the investor or the market is giving more value to the gold financing companies, and that's why we have seen such kind of re-rating specifically in Muthoot Finance. Some days back we have made a detailed analysis on Escorts Limited. Escorts is a pure kind of tractor play, but Mahindra and Mahindra, which is much bigger tractor, which have much bigger tractor business compared to Escorts, still the stock is not rising compared to Escorts. Escorts is trading at almost their 52-week high, but compared to that, Mahindra and Mahindra is not trading at their 52-week highs. So this is one more reason why investors are preferring Muthoot Finance, which is a pure gold loan play, and not other companies. Like there is a rally in Manapuram Finance also, but still the kind of rally we have seen in Muthoot Finance, it is not comparable. Now, gold as an asset class, it's a real asset. So overall, the kind of money printing we are seeing in developed world like United States, around $2 trillion of quantitative easing. Even European countries are also infusing similar kind of amounts total, if we consider even including United Kingdom also. So this kind of liquidity of around 6 to 7 trillion extra liquidity which has been created in last 3 months. So definitely real assets value compared to these currencies will appreciate over the period, because that particular impact is going to happen, there is no doubt. Though we are not seeing such the levels which we have seen in 2010-11 on gold side, which was $1,900 per ounce. Currently it is $1,700 per ounce. So there is still a lot of scope for increase. In Indian rupee term, if we look at that, in world market also gold prices will increase in dollar terms. Even our currency INR will keep on depreciating compared to US dollar, because of the difference of interest rate or the difference of inflation we are having with the developed world, specifically with the United States of America, where we majorly value our forex reserves and all those things. So these are some important points you need to keep in your mind, and that's why this re-rating could be logical. So we are going to make a detailed analysis on Muthoot Finance, the businesses, and how we feel the company is a long run company. So definitely, if you have not joined our stock subscription, do join our stock subscription by visiting our website investornet.in. You can join our membership also from YouTube to watch these kind of detailed analysis. If you want to develop a model portfolio, so you can visit our website investornet.in, and there you can use stay home coupon code and get up to 10 to 25% of the discounts if you go for combo offers. So we hope you will visit our website and join our subscriptions. If you want to make a detailed financial plan, or you want to restructure your portfolios, those advisory services are also available on our website investornet.in. So do visit our website and take benefits of these subscriptions. So friends, we hope you would have liked this video. So stay healthy, stay safe, stay invested, and until next video, happy investing. Thank you. Jai Hind.